Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. Now kids, my name is Hiral Lotia from JMP English Medium School. I'm your science teacher, right? Now, our chapter number 2 is going on, right? Parts of a plant. Today is session number 4. In session number 4, I am going to explain about functions of leaves, then about flowers, fruits, seeds, and then after uses of flowers, and last one is how are plants useful to us, कि plants हमें किस तरह से useful होते हैं. So these all 4 topics I am going to cover in today's section. Okay, so let's begin. Functions of leaves. As I told you that I explained you parts of a leaf in last section, right? Now functions of a leaf. What is the work of a leaf? Leaf का work क्या है? वो leaf जो है वो हमें क्या provide करते हैं? As a human being, what is our work? As a teacher, my work is to teach you. As a student, your work is to learn something new from me, right? Same as like that, there are some functions of leaves are also there. So let's check it out. Leaves perform the following functions. Green leaves are called the kitchen or food factory of a plant because they prepare food for the whole plant. Leaves are called the food factory of the plant. As I told you earlier, which part of a plant is called food factory of a plant? As we all know, leaves is called the food factory of the plant, or as we can say that kitchen of the plant, right? Kitchen मतलब कि जहाँ पे food prepare होता है, right? I think we all have a kitchen in our house. In that kitchen, we are preparing some yummy food, right? Same as like that, plants also have a kitchen, but they have a kitchen in leaf only. कि उसका किचन जो है वो लीफ के अंदर ही है, और जो लीफ है वही अब फूड प्रिपेयर करता है और पूरे के पूरे प्लांट को ट्रांसपोर्ट करके प्रोवाइड करता है. क्लियर? Therefore, leaves are the most important part of plant. Which is the most important part of a plant? Leaf. Leaf is called the most important part of a plant because leaf is the only part which prepares food for the whole plant, right? So it is the most important part of a plant. Leaf have a green colored substance called chlorophyll. Kids, have you ever आपके दिमाग में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए, why are the leaves, mostly all the leaves are of green color? Because chlorophyll named substance is present in leaves. सारे के सारे leaves में chlorophyll नाम का substance present होता है. Now chlorophyll makes the most of the leaves color green. कि chlorophyll सारे के सारे leaves के कलर कौन सा कर देता है? ग्रीन कलर कर देता है. मतलब chlorophyll है, उसी वजह से plants के कलर कौन सा है? ग्रीन कलर का है. It traps sunlight. Now what is the work of a chlorophyll? Chlorophyll का work ये है कि it traps sunlight, कि वो sunlight को trap करता है, and that trapped sunlight helps to prepare food for the whole plant. कि वो sunlight food को prepare करने में उसकी help करता है पूरे के पूरे plant के लिए, right? Leaves get water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Kids, your mummy knows which type of things need to prepare food, right? Water is the essential thing. Same as like that, plants also need air, water and sunlight to prepare its own food. उनको भी ये तीन चीजें चाहिए फूड को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, राइट? कौन कौन सी चीजें? एयर, water and sunlight. They also need these things. That's why they are able to prepare their own food. Clear? So वो जो होता है, sunlight तो आती है उसके ऊपर, तो वो chlorophyll उसको ट्रैप कर लेता है. वाटर जो है वो सॉइल में से एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं रूट्स, और पूरे के पूरे प्लांट्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. Then after about It also absorbs from atmosphere. We can say that it also वो क्या करते हैं कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एटमॉस्फेयर में से ही इनहेल कर देते हैं. क्लियर? They use carbon dioxide, water and trapped sunlight to prepare food. This process is called photosynthesis. When they started preparing their food, that process is called photosynthesis. मतलब when they started preparing food in the presence of air, water and sunlight, that process is called photosynthesis process. These questions I can ask you in blank, definition, one sentence, even in MCQ. So I hope so you cleared what is the meaning of photosynthesis. When leaves started preparing food for the whole plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight, that process is called photosynthesis. Clear kids? Leaves give out oxygen while preparing food. Leaves जो होते हैं वो रिलीज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन जब भी वो अपना फूड बनाते हैं in the presence of air, water and sunlight. At that same time they are releasing oxygen in the atmosphere also. In this pandemic we easily getting to know the importance of oxygen. ये pandemic में हमें पता चल गया है कि ऑक्सीजन कितना हमारे लिए important है. So ऑक्सीजन के लिए हमें क्या करना है? We need to plant more and more trees, right? जिसके थ्रू हमें कभी भी ऑक्सीजन की कमी होगी नहीं. Clear kids? So while this process is going on, at that same time the leaves releases oxygen in the atmosphere. Clear? Oxygen is very important for the survival of all living organisms, not only we human beings, but oxygen is a basic need of all living things, right? Leaves help the plants to breathe. What is the work of a leaf? So leaves helps plant to breathe. As we human beings, we have a nose to breathe, we have a lungs to breathe, right? Same as like that for plants, it is a leaf. A leaf is a part from that they can, what they can? They helps to breathe. Clear? Now, leaves of certain plants such as cabbage and spinach store food. We eat the leaves of such plants. Leaves are preparing food for themselves, right? They are preparing some extra food, right? When we human beings prepare some extra food when we are storing somewhere in boxes, in whatever containers, right? Same as like that, when plant prepares extra food, they store extra food in leaves, and that leaves we are using as a food. We human beings, even animals, that extra food we are using as our food, right? Like cabbage, spinach, fenugreek, coriander. So these are the extra food that which is prepared by plant and we are using as a food. Clear? कि वो भी एक एक्स्ट्रा फूड, ये सारी की सारी प्रोसेस फोटोसिंथेसिस की कंटिन्यू होती है ना. एट दैट टाइम वो अपना फूड जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपेयर कर लेता है ना. वो एक्स्ट्रा फूड कहाँ पे वो स्टोर करता है? वो लीव्स, कोई भी प्लांट के लीव्स होता है उसमें वो एक्स्ट्रा फूड स्टोर कर देता है. एंड दैट सेम लीव्स वी आर यूजिंग एज अ फूड. क्लियर? Leaves of some plants such as coriander and mint have a distinct aroma which helps us easily recognize them. Aroma matlab it is a kind of a thing from that we easily getting to know this is the smell of a coriander, this is the smell of a mint, this is the smell of, like I'm giving only example, how we getting to know this is the smell of a rose, because it have its own different aroma. उसकी एक झलक होती है, उसकी एक पर्टिकुलर साइन पॉइंट होता है कि इसके थ्रू हमें पता चल जाता है कि दिस इज द स्मेल ऑफ रोज, दिस इज द स्मेल ऑफ अ मिंट, दिस इज द स्मेल ऑफ अ कोरिएंडर, राइट? सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर अरोमा वी इजीली गेटिंग टू आइडेंटिफाई एनी वेजिटेबल, मतलब नॉट एनी बट If someone have its own smell, like so easily can recognize them. फेनुग्रीक तो उसमें से स्लाइटली थोड़ी सी कड़वी स्मेल आती है, तो उसके थ्रू भी इजीली गेटिंग टू नो. बट पुदीना है, मिंट है, तो उसकी स्मेल से तो हम इजीली पता चल गया दिस इज मिंट ओनली, राइट. नाउ फ्लावर्स, fruits and seeds, right? We easily know what is flowers, fruits and seeds. Flower matlab rose, lily, sunflower. Then about fruits, we have so many fruits are available in market, right? Banana, pineapple, apple, papaya, so many fruits. Then after about seeds, there are so many seeds are also available in market. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, so many seeds, right? Flowers are the most attractive part of a plant. Which is the most attractive part of a plant? For me, it is flower, because flower के through में पता चल जाएगा which plant is this, and through plant only I really like to watch, I really like to see plant, right? So it is the most attractive part of a plant. They grow from small buds on the stem. वो किस तरह से ग्रो होते हैं? हाउ दे आर ग्रोइंग? फर्स्ट दे आर लाइक बर्ड होता है छोटा सा, उसमें से धीरे धीरे फ्लावर में कन्वर्ट होता है. बर्ड की जो पेटल्स होती है वो बंद होती है, वो धीरे धीरे खुलती है धीरे धीरे, और किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है? फ्लावर में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, राइट. फ्लावर्स, fruits and seeds are of different colors. Flowers, fruits and seeds, these all three have a different colors. If suppose flower का कलर पिंक है, तो उसका फ्रूट होगा वो कुछ अलग कलर का होगा, और उसके सीड्स भी अलग कलर के होंगे, राइट. So these all trees have a different colors. Colors, shapes and sizes. Even colors तो अलग अलग है, उसके shapes भी अलग होंगे और उसकी sizes भी अलग अलग होंगी. If you are aware about some seeds, तो some seeds also have a different shapes, sizes and colors. Some are of brown, some are of grey, some are of black, right? So all these three things have a different shapes, sizes and even different colors. Clear? They have specific scents. Scents मतलब हम स्प्रे करते, सेंट लगाते हैं, राइट, कि जिसके थ्रू हम throughout the day या तो फिर throughout the 6-7 hours when we are going outside, when we are going for a function, we are using it, right? But these flowers have their own scent. कि ये flowers के पास अपनी खुद की महक होती है, right? जिसके थ्रू हमें इजीली पता चल जाएगा this is the plant of a sunflower, this is the plant of a lily, this is the plant of a rose, this is the plant of a marigold, right? So they have their own scent. उसकी एक अलग अपनी खुद की महक होती है. Clear? So some flowers grow into fruits. कोई flowers होते हैं वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? वो fruits में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. धीरे धीरे वो buds होते हैं, buds में से flower ग्रो होते हैं, flower में से वो क्या ग्रो होना स्टार्ट कर देता है? Then after it converts into a fruit. The main function of a flower is to help a plant to reproduce. Now what is the main work of a plant? I can say that what is the main work of a flower? Yes, the main work of a flower is to reproduce other plants. कि उसके जैसे ही plant को reproduce करना, it is the main and important work of a flower. If suppose it cannot reproduce, then what happens? It won't be exist in this atmosphere, कि वो exist ही नहीं करता ये atmosphere में. So it have flowers have that ability that they can reproduce of their own same kind. Flowers of some plants such as broccoli and cauliflower store food. We eat them. As I told you earlier, these broccoli and cauliflower are flowers. They all are flowers, and they stored their food in their leaves only. And that leaves we are using as our food, and we are eating that food, right? कि वो हमारे food के लिए हम उसका use करते हैं, we are eating that same. So it is a kind of a flower only, but still we are using as a food. Clear? Now uses of flowers. Now what is the uses of flowers? You know, some uses we are using to decorate homes, we are using to make scents. So many uses we have, right? Some flowers such as rose, pomegranate and lavender are used to make a wide range of perfumes. If a flower has some very nice smell, then what we are doing? We are making scent from them. हम उसमें से scent और perfumes बनाते हैं. We are using to look cool. मतलब हम उसको अच्छा smell हमारे लिए हम अच्छे से smell करें, इसके लिए हम use करते हैं, right? Perfumes and scents. Some flowers such as saffron मतलब केसर and clove are used to add flavors in the food. Even kids, if you don't have any idea that we have a saffron plant also, and even clove are also is a kind of a flower जिसका हम फूड बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं, और सैफरन का भी हम फूड को कलर देने में, एक अच्छा फ्लेवर डालने में हेल्प यूज करते हैं. लाइक सैफरन है, व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग खीर या कोई भी स्वीट हो तो हम उसको मिल्क में डाइल्यूट करके या तो फिर कोई भी मिल्क में भी डाल के उसको पी सकते हैं. इट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर आवर बॉडी. देन आफ्टर क्लोव मतलब लविंग, जिसका हम कोई भी चाय टी के मसाले बनाने में यूज करते हैं. इवन कोई भी वेजिटेबल फूड है इसमें प्रिपेयर करने के लिए यूज, इट इज यूजफुल इन सो मेनी वेज. So these are all flowers still we are using as a food, right? Some flowers are used for the purpose of decoration. As I told you, some flowers we are using to decorate our homes, which whatever place we have, if we want to decorate them, we are using flowers, right? Most fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have only one seed, some have few, while some have many seeds. There are so many different fruits are available in market, right? We have so many different kinds of varieties of fruits. Like when they have a different varieties at that same time, they have a different way of seeds also. Some have only one seed, some have a few seeds, and some have a so many seeds. One seed मतलब mango, few seeds मतलब apple, and so many seeds मतलब papaya, pomegranate. Pomegranate itself is a seed, but that seed we are using as our food, right? So this, if I can ask you one example of one seed, one example of few seeds, one example of many seeds, then you are supposed to use your brain and you can write any answer, but answer should be correct. Clear? A seed contains a baby plant and its food. Most seeds helps in producing new plants. What is the work of a seed? तो क्या सीड्स जो है वो बेबी प्लांट को प्रोड्यूस करता है और फिर वो इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. When a seed is sown in the soil and given sufficient water, air and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. When we sown मतलब अगर हम नए प्लांट को सॉइल के अंदर sown मतलब ग्रो कर रहे हैं, at that same time it also needs air, water and sunlight in a sufficient amount, then they started growing in a good manner. ये तीनों की तीनों चीजें अगर उसको sufficient amount में मिल रही है तो वो एक अच्छा सा plant grow हो जाएगा. The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. A process after growing seed into soil, then after it converts into a plant, that process is called germination. What kids? हम जब छोटा सा सीड सॉइल में ग्रो करते हैं तब वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा, उसमें से कोटिलिडन्स निकलता है, फिर आफ्टर एक लीफ निकलता है, वो थोड़ा सा ग्रो होता है and it converts into a plant. That process is called germination. Here I have shown an image, right? I hope so it is clear to you all. So this process is called germination. I hope so you clear about this. Now about germination that I am going to explain you later in other chapters or else in next grade in depth. Okay? Now let's begin last topic. How are plants useful to us? कि plants जो है वो हमें किस तरह से useful होते हैं? Plants are very useful to us. They give us many things. They gives us so many things, right? Plants are our primary sources of food. वो एक लौता हमारा source है food का, right? Without plants, we won't be able to survive in this earth because we need food to survive. And plants are the only one which provides us food, right? The roots of a plant hold soil particles and prevent the wind, water from carrying away the soil. Even plants helps to hold soil together. क्यों क्यों ये सोइल को होल्ड करता है ताकि सोइल जो है वो उड़ ना जाए, कुछ उसके साथ हो ना जाए, राइट? तो सोइल जो है वो उसका यूज करती है. देन आफ्टर प्लांट्स हेल्प टू ब्यूटीफाई आवर सराउंडिंग. अगर हमारा आजू बाजू सराउंडिंग में प्लांट्स है then what happen? Our surrounding looks good, it smells good, right? Then after plants reduce pollution by taking in carbon dioxide and pollutes air. मतलब plants also helps to reduce pollution, कि वो plants जो है वो pollution को reduce करने में भी हमारी help करता है, कि वो जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को inhale करता है और ऑक्सीजन को रिलीज करता है एयर में. They give out oxygen which is used by humans and animals. That oxygen is used by us. Clear? I hope so you understand. I hope so you understand all 4 topics. So here I am ending this session and I have shared a PDF of homework with you. It is a little bit lengthy, थोड़ा सा lengthy है. Try to do it in a single day. If you don't able to do, then take 2 days also. Okay? So till next session.